Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today I have for you Kinder Beauty. Now, this is a monthly subscription. It's, I believe, around $24 a month. If I'm wrong, I'll put it on the screen. But this is a beauty, makeup, skincare subscription that revolves around vegan, cruelty-free, organic, all of that good stuff. So you do get a lot of brands in here that you don't necessarily recognize just because they are smaller companies and they're clean companies. That's why I like it. So let's get into it. So I open it up and this is what I see. And you do get a card, and you open the card and it should tell you the prices of the full-sized items. Yes. Yes. Okay. I was just shocked by one of the things I saw in here. Not really shocked, but like it looked cool. So that's what took a second. Anyway, let's get into, so is this May? I'm assuming this is May. Maybe it's June. I don't know. Let me see. Does it say anywhere on here? It doesn't say. So I'll put it on the screen. I don't know if it's May or June. I mean, we're June 1st, so I'm assuming this is May's. But if I'm wrong, it'll be on the screen. And the first thing I'm pulling out is by Mid Flower. And it is a Cellulose Peel Mask. And it retails for $15. So this is what it looks like. You guys know I'm always down for a good masking, so I'm happy with that. Although the retail value is $15, that's a bit steep for my blood. I wouldn't pay $15 for a mask, but I love to try it. So that's cool. The next thing I am pulling out, we've gotten this in something before, by Derma E. It's an anti-wrinkle scrub. And it retails for $13.75. So it's basically an exfoliant. And I have so many of those right now. I will just throw this in the giveaway, in the current giveaway. Well, there are two giveaways going on right now. One will be linked down below. The other one is the Mega Loyal subscriber giveaway. It's buried in a video. I won't link it down below because you have to be a Mega Loyal subscriber to win it, which means you have to watch all my videos. Well, you don't have to, but it's for the people that really pay attention to my videos. So I stick it deep in a video somewhere, and if you're watching, you can enter. But anyway, next. The next thing I am pulling out is a Franklin and Whitman facial serum. Age-defying formula. So this is what it looks like. I'm assuming this isn't full size, because if this is full size, I would not pay $40 for it. That's what this retails for, is $40. And that to me is a travel size. It doesn't show anything different. Let me look at the, I mean, the bottles have the exact same milliliters in them, and it doesn't say it's a different size. Yeah, no, it doesn't say anywhere that this is a full size or just a travel size. And the picture shows on here exactly this. I would not pay $40 for something this small. That's insane to me. Oh well. I will probably just pass that along. That's also not something that I need. The next thing I am pulling out is a lipstick from Real Her, and the retail value is $18. It is a matte lipstick. I don't really wear matte lipsticks. I prefer gloss. I prefer normal lipstick. I can't, brain fart. It's a Monday. What can I say? It is a really pretty nude color though. Let me just check just to, oh, it's sealed. Let's see, maybe I can open it from this end. Let me just check and make sure of the color. It is really pretty packaging. So this is what the packaging looks like. And that is really pretty. I like the rose gold. That does not look like the same color. It looks like a darker color than the one that is presented on the page. It's a really pretty color, but I probably will just pass it along to somebody else that can get use out of it, i.e. throwing it in the giveaway. Let's see. And then the last thing I'm pulling out, this is the thing that I was like, and it's this. I thought that like is super pretty packaging just by looking at it, but then looking at it like this, it's just a cheap plastic packaging. But I think that if it would have been a more substantial packaging, that would have been really pretty, like to go in a vanity or something. But it is just cheap plastic. And it's just a beauty blender. It's a base blue, and it's a mini air sponge. And it retails for $4. I have quite a few sponges. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I might keep it, but we'll see. All right, you guys, that was Kinder Beauty. And again, while I am throwing most of this stuff in a giveaway, I do like the box. It's a good box. I think it's a good box. It's just these specific things aren't for me. I mean, I am keeping the face mask and I'm probably going to end up keeping the sponge, but it's just more great stuff for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.